Today I will show you how to whitelist IP in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is ensure that you're logged into your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged into that, I want you to select the domain that you want to configure. Now on the left sidebar, you're going to go to security, click on this arrow, and you're going to click on overview. Now on the overview, where we want to go is web application exploits, and we're going to click on settings. Here we're going to click on create IP access custom rule under IP access rules. Now here you're going to set in the necessary information, give it a name, give it a URL of what the IP should match, the incoming request should match, and this is where you whitelist the IP. In the action you can choose to skip, which will give it a full whitelist, or you can choose some custom whitelisting based on some requirements. After you're done with that, you click on deploy, and your IP should be deployed and whitelisted. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.